Hello everybody, today we can see about Fujifilm DRI-CHEM SLIDE AMYL-P3. This is a brand name Fujifilm. This is a product name Fuji DRI-CHEM SLIDE AMYL-P3 amylase P3. This is a code number of this product 4350 and this is the expiry date 2026-12. This is C certificate IVD product. We can store this product between 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. That's why I'm using a ice pack. And we also see the barcode of this product. And this product contains 24 slides. This is made in Japan. We can see the other sides and manufacturing details. And this is top view, side view. This is a small product. I'm going to unbox this product for your reference. The QC certificate for this product. Here we can see the product details, AMYL-P3, lot number and the expiry date. Here we can see the product name QC Fujifilm, Fuji DRI-CHEM Fujifilm, and keep this aside. There is 2 batch. Each contain 12 slides, total 24 slides. Here we can see the full. Each rack contains 12. Here we go for summarize. This is a Fujifilm product, Fuji DRI-CHEM SLIDE amylase P3. This is a C certificate IVD product. This product contains on QC certificate 24 slides. Thank you.